Alright, you're not gonna believe what Mercedes-Benz just revealed. They've unleashed the 2027 GLC, a sleek, electric small luxury SUV that's just the tip of a massive wave of new models. We're talking 40 new models by the end of 2027. That's the biggest product investment in the history of Mercedes, and it's starting with this groundbreaking vehicle. Just announced at the IAA Mobility show in Munich, this could change everything for the brand. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why the GLC is more than just another electric vehicle. And wait until you hear what they're planning for 2026. Here's the scoop. The 2027 GLC isn't just any SUV, it's the first to roll out on the new MB.EA architecture, a platform so versatile it can support everything from the C-Class to the flagship S-Class, and their SUV counterparts. And get this, the upcoming C-Class sedan is expected to have an incredible range of 497 miles. But here's where things get really interesting. Mercedes isn't just focusing on one model. They're completely revamping their lineup. The new E-Class midsize sedan and the luxurious S-Class are also getting their time in the spotlight. Plus, we're seeing the all-new 2026 CLA, built on the innovative Mercedes modular architecture, soon to be followed by the GLB and GLA SUVs. Now, here's the part that's got everyone talking. Unlike the early EQ models that had to scream electric, these new vehicles keep it classy. No more visual divide between electric and combustion engines. A GLC will look the same, no matter what's under the hood. It's all about choice, pick your model, then your drivetrain. Mercedes is making it crystal clear. It's a move that aligns with Gordon Wagoner's vision, the chief design officer, who believes it's all about brand identity now. So what does this mean for the automotive future? Well, it's clear Mercedes is betting big on EVs, but they're not forgetting their roots. This approach could redefine how we perceive luxury in the electric era, blurring the lines between traditional and electric powertrains. It's a bold prediction, but this strategy could set a new standard for the industry. Okay, now let's wrap this up. What detail from the 2027 Mercedes-Benz lineup impressed you the most? Drop a comment below and tell me what you think. And hey, don't forget to hit subscribe because next week I'm breaking down the future of luxury sedans. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.